Hello friends, my name is Bilal Khan and this is the third video of the open source contribution. So in this video I'm going to show you two things. The first thing is that how you can split a commit into multiple commits, and the second thing is that how you can update your local directory as compared to the GitHub repository. Let's say if the maintainer has made some modifications in the GitHub repository, then how you can update your local directory also as compared to the GitHub repository, so that both of them are matched and both of them are updated. So these are the two things that I'm going to show you in this video. So as you can see here that I'm present in my GitHub account, and let's click on the repositories. So here you can see that I have already created the test repository. So if you don't know how to create a repository, you just need to click on this new button. And once you click on this, you have to give the repository name, give the permission whether you want it to make it public or private, add a readme file, git ignore file, and add a license also. So I have done all these things, but if I open this test repository for you, you can see that I created this test repository yesterday. So this is the repository I'm going to be working in. So now the first thing that you need to do is to clone this by using this HTTPS link, and just go to this file, open the terminal here and write git clone and the URL that I have copied. So let's click on this. As you can see here that now this is done. Let's clear this, close this, and now you can see this is the test directory that is cloned from the GitHub repository. So let's open this in the Visual Studio Code. So here you can see that these are the two files that are present here in this test directory, as they are present here also. So now the first thing that I'm going to show you is let's open a new terminal and let's write what you can say git branch. As you can see, there is only one branch that is by default, and now let's create another branch like updates. And now let's move to the updates branch. All right, because I have created this branch. If I show you, this is the update branch that is created, but I need to switch to the updates branch. So let's write git checkout updates. As you can see, that switch to branch updates. So if I show you git branch again, you will see that now the green color is on the update branch because I'm present in this branch. All right, so let's clear this. After that, let's create some files. So the first thing is to write touch file 1. Touch is a command for creating a file in Linux. Touch file 1, touch file 2. So these are the two files that I have created. So let's write what you can say. This is the first in file 1. This is the second in file 2, like this. Similarly, let's paste this data. Sorry, I need to copy this first of all. Control C and Control V. So file 2 and file 2. And similarly here the error should be removed. So file 1. This is the first in file 1. This is the second in file 1. This is the first in file 2. This is the second in file 2. So yeah, this is done now. So now what I need to do, I need to write git add commit. What you can say, git add commit, and created two files and added text in them like this. So now all these changes are now done inside the updates branch, not in the main branch. So if I show you git log, you will see that these are all the changes that I have just committed. I created two files and added text in them in the update branch. They are not in the main branch. So inside the main branch there is only one commit, that is the initial one. All right, so now the next step that I'm going to show you is to split this one commit. As you can see here, this is only one commit. I need to split this commit into multiple commits. All right, so how you can do this? So let's write what you can say, let's take this, or instead of just taking this commit ID, let's clear this and write git rebase what you can say head. So head 1. So head 1 is basically showing the first commit. All right. So if I show you 2, it will take the second commit. What do I mean by this? Let's write git log. You can see that this is the first commit that it is taking. So I'm going to take this first commit and I will split it into multiple commits. So this is my goal. So let's write git rebase I head 1 like this. And now what it will do, it will show me the same message that created 2 files and added text in them. So I need to work on this commit. So let's write, instead of writing pick, I will write edit. So because I need to edit this commit. So Control O, Control X. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is to write git reset head like this. So as you can see here that both of these files are again untracked. So it means that I need to again add them one by one instead of just adding them all. All right. So what I will do, I will write git add file 1. So as you can see here that this one is added inside the git. I will write git commit added created file 1 and added text in it like this. Similarly, I will write git add file 2 and I will write created file 2 and edit text in it. So now if I show you git log, you will see that these are 2 commits, like this one, created file 1 and edit text in it, created file 2 and edit text in it. So now this is how you can split one commit into multiple commits. Let's say this is the case in which let's say if the maintainer is saying that hey, you need to split the one commit and for each commit there should be one file, right? So this is the case that I have split this one commit that were containing 2 files. I split them in 2 commits, like the first commit was containing this file and the second commit is containing this file. So each commit is containing one files. So these are this was the point that you often deal with. So I hope you understood that how you can split this commit. So now the next thing is what I need to do. I need to write what you can say git checkout main. So I need to switch back to the main. All right, so I have forgotten one thing. Let's git checkout dates. I have to git rebase. This should be the commit. Yeah, this is the thing that you need to do after committing it, because I forgot this command and I switched directly to main. So you don't need to switch to another branch. Instead, you should be present in the update branch, as you can see here that I'm present in the update branch. So once you are done with splitting the commits, you need to definitely do this in order to rebase it successfully. Once this is rebased, you need to check out to main. Now I can successfully go to main. All right, so now let's write git what you can say git push origin updates, because this is the branch that I'm going to push from the main branch. So as you can see that it will take me some time. This is the recent push that I have pushed it. So let's compare it. Hey there, I just added 2 files in I just created 2 files and I added text in them. For each file there is a separate commit. Thank you. Right, so let's create a pull request. Once this is created, you can see that it is checking the mergeability. So you can add the rules also, that can be with the help of what you can say GitHub Actions, but there is no rule currently, so I can just directly merge this pull request, confirm merge. So now you can see that this is merged. If I show you the there is one thing that I need to do is to delete this branch, because if I show you the test, you can see that there are 2 branches. The first one is the main, the second one is the update. I need to delete this branch in the GitHub also, and you can see that these are the 2 files that are created also. So let's go back and first of all delete this branch, and now this is done successfully. As you can see that currently only one branch, main. So yeah, I can do this here also. So let's write git merge, because I need to merge locally also, although it was merged here in the repository, but I need to merge it here also. Git merge what you can say updates. So now you can see that all these things are merged now. So I don't need to work, I don't need this updates branch. So let's write updates. So yeah, this is done. So now the next thing that I'm going to work is that let's say I make modifications here. Instead of making modifications here, let's say if the maintainer already makes some modification here, like this one. Let's update this this line, like first of all this is the second and this is the third. This is the third. In file 1, commit changes, save it, update file 1. Similarly, if I go to the what you can say file 2, this is the sorry, I need to update it, like edit this file. This is the third in file 2. So I need to commit those changes also. So now in both of these files the changes are made, but those changes are not present here. If you take a look, these changes are not present here. So what I need to do, I will what you can say let me just check in this. Like this is how there are 5 commits. Previously there were only 3 commits. So what I need to do, I need to create another branch, git updates, and inside this branch I need to first of all move to update branch, or let's delete this update branch because there should be another name for this, right? Git a branch, what you can say update instead of updates. All right, git checkout update. So now as you can see here that these are all the changes that are done here now, but these changes are not present. So what I need to do, I will write first of all git remote add upstream. So upstream is this one. All right, so upstream is this what you can say online repository. So I need to take the data from this online repository. So git remote add upstream, and then the HTTPS link, like this one. All right, so give this HTTPS link. Now this is added. Now let's write the next thing is fetch, git fetch upstream main. So main, you need to be present in another branch, not in the main branch. So if I show you, you can see here git branch, you can see that I'm present in the update branch. So let's write git fetch the next thing upstream main. So these are all the changes that you can see here. These are all the changes that are present in the main branch. So I need to fetch those changes from the main branch to this update branch. So let's press enter on this. You can see that they are fetched in the update branch. So let's write git rebase upstream, like this. So now you can see that all these changes are now present in the update branch. This one, this is the third in the file 2, this is the third in the file 1. So they are done now. But let's say if I the next thing is to git rebase what you can say git branch. Let me just show you. Yeah, maybe this function will not work. Let's just continue it. Yeah, there is no rebase. So yeah, this is done now. So what I need to do, I need to write git status. There is no status, tree is clean. Let's move to the main branch again. So now you can see that the main branch does not contain this. So how can I move this data from the main what you can say from the update branch into the main branch? So let's write git merge update. So now inside the main branch, all the data that is present in the update branch will be merged. From the update branch, all the changes will be merged into the main branch. So let's press enter on this. You can see then now I'm present in the main branch. You can see here main git branch. You can see I'm present in the main branch. So all these changes are present in the main branch. So there is no need for me to create what you can say put this or keep this update branch as it is. Instead I will delete it. git branch de-update. So now this is done. So all these changes are present now in the what you can say in the main branch. So there is no need for me. All right, so let's open this. So yeah, all the errors are gone. So let's write both of them are matched. Like this one, the data that is present here also is matched with the data that is present here also. So both of them are updated, and there is no need for me to again update it because the data are already updated. So yeah, if anything happened again, then I can use the same command like git fetch and git rebase upstream in order to make them both updated together, so that we don't need to it will create a merge conflict in the future, because whenever a maintainer update this repository and you clone this repository in your local machine but you are not updating it, so it will create a merge conflict in the future if you send a pull request. So yeah, this is the thing that you need to keep in mind. So yeah, there is another thing that I need to show you, and that is here is the Soda Foundation, that there is an event occurring in 18 September. So let me just show you too. So yeah, this is the event that you need to attend. It is by the name of Data Vision 23 by Soda Foundation. It is happening on 18 September 2023 in Bilbao, Spain. Plus it is virtual also. So there will be amazing guests coming in like Michael Cade, who is known for his 90 days of DevOps, and you will be getting a $2,000 worth of courses, $2,000 worth of courses and amazing gifts, and you will also get an internship program. So please join this one-day event virtually or in site also if you want to, and it is a free event and you can get amazing insights and prizes in it. So you can further check out this career internship program, and you can join the Slack channel, GitHub, and contribute into it. So I hope you understood and liked this video. So if you liked it, then make sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, then ask those questions in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer all of them. So till then, goodbye.